Imagine spending 25 to 30 lakhs on a degree and still not being able to find a job. Sounds scary, right? The truth is, not all degrees lead to a strong career, but there are some courses in the UK which are practically designed by the universities for higher employability. Hi, my name is Aman Anand, Senior Counselor from BNPS International, and today we are breaking down top 5 courses in the UK in 2026 that employers are actively hiring for. Course number 5, Finance or Fintech. Well, money never stops moving. Neither does the finance industry. But today's finance industry is not old school finance. It's crypto, digital payments, UPI, etc. And London, the capital of UK, still one of the best financial hubs across the globe, which means employability, networking, job opportunities across the globe. And an average starting salary of an MSc Finance graduate stays anywhere between 45,000 to 50,000 pounds a year. Course number 4, Supply Chain and Logistics Management. Let me ask you something. How do you think Amazon delivers millions of packages on time and across the globe in every corner of the world? Well, that's supply chain for you. And companies are desperate for professionals who can solve real operational problems. Well, MSc Supply Chain Logistics is one of the most underrated programs, yet very rewarding. With an average starting salary from 30,000 to 40,000 pounds, it stays number 4 on the list. Course number 3, Business Analytics or Data Analytics. Every company from every industry runs on one thing, data. And data alone is useless until there is someone who can materialize it, and that's where analytics professionals comes in. From consulting firms, marketing, banks, law firms, everyone is hiring data analysts. And this degree is one of the fastest growing careers across the globe, with an average starting salary of anywhere between 45,000 to 50,000 pounds a year. Course number 2, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence or Data Science. If there is one field that isn't just slowing down, it's technology. AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, everything runs on technology. Even this app on which you are watching this video is software. And these aren't just trends anymore. This is the future. And the best part, technology is not restricted to just one country or one continent. It has taken over the globe. And that is why this field manages to stay on top for employability. Average starting salary, 40,000 to 50,000 pounds a year. And which program you think tops this list? You got that right. It's Masters of Business Administration. An MBA isn't a normal degree and is not restricted to a single specialization. MBA is all about leadership, management, and real business problems. Many UK universities, such as University of Birmingham, Durham University, or University of Strathclyde, offers multiple pathways to all their MBA programs. Pathways such as marketing, entrepreneurship, or innovation. You can choose from any of these pathways to lead a career of your choice. From consulting to finance to healthcare or any domain, an MBA would lead you to a leadership role in any of these domains. And if you want a career with flexibility, leadership role, high earning potential, MBA is your way to go. It is one of the strongest careers to take up, with an average starting salary from a range of 55,000 to a whopping 95,000 pounds a year. Well, with this, we come to a conclusion that most students do not realize. Choosing the right course is far more important than choosing a famous university. And yes, that is the reality. At BNPS International, we help students make career decisions. From right set of universities, best course selection, from visas and planning careers. It is a one-stop solution for all of you for your future career goals. Because choosing to study abroad should not be a gamble, but an investment. If you're planning to studying in the UK in 2026, reach out to us by clicking on the link below in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in the next one.